Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Dimitrios and I'm the medical director and the founding doctor of Orchid IVF clinic here in Dubai. It is a great pleasure and honor to invite you all to our conference in April 12th and 13th called A Woman's Journey here in Dubai, UAE. I am in charge of the fertility section of the conference. As Professor Samina has explained, this conference covers the whole journey of a woman from teenage years all the way to menopause. I am in charge of the fertility section and I promised myself that I would make this a very interesting session for all the gynecologists that will attend. We will cover egg freezing, we will cover the latest on genetic testing of embryos, we will cover recurrent miscarriages, we will cover what you should do in cases of premature ovarian insufficiency, premature ovarian failure, and I promise that all of this will be delivered in simple terms and in guidelines and practices that you will be able to take home immediately and practice with those every day. Thank you for attending, and it will be a pleasure to see you in April. Thank you very much.